What if I told you that there was a way to figure out how much any TikTok Shop video actually makes? Today I'm going to show you a new tool called ShopShark, which is currently changing everything for TikTok Shop creators. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to find winning products and copy strategies that are working in 2026. So first of all, what is ShopShark? It's basically your TikTok Shop intelligence layer. Think of it as having X-ray vision for your For You page. It scans 20 million videos daily to track real revenue data. It also shows you actual commissions and creator earnings. So you no longer have to guess which videos and products are actually making money. But who is this actually useful for? Where it's mainly for two types of people. Either creators and actual affiliates, so you can know which videos you should copy before making your own content, stop wasting time on trends that don't convert, find exact hooks and titles that TikTok is promoting, and also see which creators are making real money and not just getting views. But on the other hand, this is also perfect for sellers and brands, because you can find out what affiliates actually know how to sell, protect your brand by partnering with reliable creators, understand if your low sales are actually due to a bad product or the creator themselves, and also see the real math behind affiliate partnerships. So all of that theory sounds amazing, but let me show you how this tool actually works. If you want to sign up as well for ShopShark, just click the first link in the description down below so you can follow along for this video. So once you open up the platform, this is exactly what you are going to see. And as you can see, we have three main categories here. We have videos, products, and lives. So if you come here to videos first, you can choose from all the different categories in TikTok Shop. You can filter by the video revenue estimate. So for example, if you only want to see videos that have done an estimated $50,000 to $100,000, you could just put that filter in here. You can also filter by commission rate. You can even search for a specific product, and then also when it was published. So let's say we are going to go for the last 30 days and a video that has generated estimated between $50,000 to $100,000. So you can see now these are all videos that are in this exact category that we are searching for, and it gives you even more insights, not just the estimated GMV, but also the commission percentage, how much commission was paid to the actual creator, and also the weekly GMV growth. So if you click here on one of these videos on view more, then we get even more data. So you can even see how the video has performed over time in terms of comments, views, also likes, shares, and GMV. So this is, invaluable if you are a creator or if you are a brand, because it helps you understand TikTok Shop so much better, right? With actual data behind it, not just guessing around. So you get daily updates here on trending products, not just weekly like some of the competitors. You can see products before they peak and die out. You can track cost versus commission to find profitable items, and you can catch trends in hours instead of days. So if you spend a lot of time here on this platform, you are going to be able to find products that are just starting to really pick up, right? And that is absolutely amazing. Again, if we want, we can even go into a category. Let's say we wanted to go for sports and fitness and still keeping the revenue filter and the 30-day filter as well. And just like that, we are able to find, a bunch of videos that have performed well exactly in this space that we are in. So I think you're probably starting to understand just how amazing of a tool this is for finding new products, new trends that you can also implement in your own business as well. Now you can also choose how you want to sort these videos right here. So you can sort it by views, created date, likes, comments, shares, video GMV, commission rate, and even estimated commission value. Now, if you want to check out any of these products that you find, you can also just click here on the product right here, and then it's going to pull up this brand new page for you, and you can see much more details about the specific product that is being promoted in that video. So you can see a viral index here, which is basically a measure of how engaging a video is, and it's calculated from likes, comments, shares, and views. You can see how it ranks in the specific category that the product is in, where it ranks in top US sales, how popular it is, how many units are sold, the total GMV, and also how many affiliates are actually promoting this product, right? So this is very helpful as well, because if you can find a product that's getting a lot of virality, but there is very few affiliates promoting it, then you just identified a great opportunity right there. And if we scroll down right here, you can see again the trends of how it's performing over time, all of the videos promoting this product, and we can just keep scrolling down, checking out all of the competitors competitors and finding ideas right here. But if you want to find some more products, again, you just come here to the products category, and then you are going to be able to see what are some of the top selling products on TikTok Shop in the last 7 days, 30 days, and even 90 days, with a bunch of data, right? You can see pretty much daily how many units are sold, the category it's in, the order growth. So yeah, there is so much you can find here. And you can also filter it as much as you want here on the top. Let's say we wanted to go into the home and garden category. You can see these are some of the best selling products in this specific category in the last 60 days. So the reason why this is amazing is you can find the videos that are performing the best, and then what you want to do from there is actually save all of the videos that are the top performers and analyze them, right? See which hooks are working the best, see which CTAs are working the best. And then you can actually copy working strategies instead of just guessing in your own videos. You can also identify top performing affiliates. So if you are a brand, this is a good way to find new influencers to work with. And you can also take the strategies that are working for these top influencers, right, and top creators, and just have your other affiliates also implement those. All right, now let's go into the lives section, because it even goes as far as live streams, not just finding viral videos and high performing videos and products. So if we come here to lives, you can see we can actually choose by currently live or trending right now. And even here, you're going to be able to see stuff like the sales per minute, the amount of units sold, the total viewers, and you will be able to find, you know, again, creators here and also formats for live streams that are performing well. So if you haven't really started with any sort of live selling yet, this could be a very useful feature for that. So we could just go ahead, click on any of these, right, and it will pull up more details for us, so you can see the total viewers, the total estimated GMV per viewer, units sold, and yeah, you can see also the different products that they are mentioning in that specific live stream, and also find more information about the specific creator. You can see the live activity heat map right here, so at what times do they go live, how many times, and also the products that they are featuring in their live stream. So that's the live sport. Again, here, I mean, you could just keep scrolling and find as many high performing lives as you just want. So that's how the platform works. The reason why this is such a game changer tool is because you get fresh data every single day that you can use in your own business or for your own videos. And you're not just looking at views here either. You're able to find actual formats and creators that can drive revenue and not just get engagement. So the way you should get started with using ShopShark is to first of all sign up for it, obviously create a new account, and then start by product research, right? Go in your category and start finding winning products in that niche. Then you want to do video analysis, so look at the top performing videos, the top affiliates in your category, start analyzing them, see what hooks are working for them, what CTAs and what kind of trends are working really well today. And again, some of the mistakes that this is going to help you avoid is just looking at views instead of actual revenue data. You're not going to be copying formats or selling products that are already dying out and not working anymore. And you're also no longer going to be overlooking small creators, which might be smaller in size but are driving a lot of revenue. So I hope you enjoyed this quick summary of ShopShark. If you want to sign up, then go ahead and click the first link in the description down below and let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed this one.